Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss our third chapter, that is coordinate geometry. It's a very easy chapter. You can expect 5 to 6 marks questions from this chapter. It is very easy. Okay, so let's start what is coordinate geometry and etc. Okay, so chapter 3, coordinated geometry. In earlier classes you have learned what is a number line and how to plot numbers on number line, etc. Okay, see here x dash is a number line and there is origin and 1 2 3 4 positive numbers, left side negative numbers. This is a number line. We draw this number line horizontal. Okay, horizontally we draw this one. Okay, see, you can see here also a number line y dash. Here also origin, positive numbers, negative numbers, etc. Okay, so x dash is a horizontal line and y dash vertical line, number line. Okay, when we join them to intersect at a point perpendicular to each other, okay, which shape will form? Let's see. Okay, dear students, see, this is our x, this is x dash, our horizontal line, and y dash vertical line. Horizontal and vertical number line, we took them perpendicular to each other. See, this is a plane. This is a whiteboard. Whiteboard is a plane. Suppose if we need to locate the position of something, position of an object or position of a point in a plane, we need two perpendicular lines. Okay, if we need to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane. Okay, we need to find the position of an object in a plane. We need two perpendicular lines for that. Okay, one should be horizontal and one should be vertical. Okay, and this plane is called, in which we need to locate the point. Okay, this plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Cartesian plane or Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and this x horizontal line is called x-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis, and y vertical line is called y-axis or coordinate axis. This x horizontal line and vertical line together called coordinate axis. Axis, singular word, axis. Coordinate axis. Vertical line and horizontal line together called coordinate axis. This plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and these two perpendicular lines are called coordinate axis. Okay, this horizontal line is called x-axis, and vertical line is called y-axis. Clear? So three things. First of all, this plane is called plane, in which we need to locate something, a point or an object. This plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and this we need to locate the position of a point or an object. We need two perpendicular lines, vertical line and a horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, and these two axes together called coordinate axis. Clear? Okay, dear students, let's discuss another point. See, so x-axis and a y-axis. Okay, see, in x-axis two parts are there. Here positive and here negative. So positive x-axis from origin to forward direction. Okay, positive direction, positive x-axis from origin to negative axis. This backward. Okay, so left side, from origin to left side, this is called here negative numbers only. So negative x-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis. Then for y-axis also, here from the origin to upward direction, positive numbers, this is positive y-axis, here negative y-axis. Okay, so positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. See this xy axis divides this plane, Cartesian plane, into 4 parts, isn't it? This is first one, second, third, fourth. So these 4 parts we are calling. That means this coordinate axis, xy axis, divides this Cartesian plane or coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. Quadrants, we are calling quadrants. Quadrant 1, here quadrant 2, here 3, here 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So this coordinate axis, that means horizontal and vertical lines, divides this coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant. Okay, don't change the number. This is the first one. This is second, third, fourth, anti-clockwise direction. Clear? See, what will be the sign? What will be the sign of, or what will, suppose our objective. Actually, what is the need of this one? We need to locate the point, locate the position of something. Okay, we need to find the point, position of a point P. Okay, we need to locate the position of a point P in the first quadrant. Then what will be the sign of this one? See, suppose this, only consider this quadrant. Okay, then what will be the x? Here, x, positive x direction and a positive y direction. Okay, positive x-axis and positive y-axis. So, here positive to x and y are positive. So, positive, positive. Okay, so in first quadrant, the object, the location of or position of that object will be both numbers are positive, positive. Then here in second quadrant, what will be the sign? In second quadrant, we consider only this x and this y. That means negative x and positive y. So x should be negative and y value positive. So sign negative, positive. Okay. In third quadrant, suppose our point, we need to find the position of a point from third quadrant. What will be the sign of that one? See, here we have to consider only 2 axes, that is negative y-axis and a negative x-axis. X and y both are negative. So, negative, y also negative, negative. Suppose our point P lies on the fourth quadrant. What will be the sign of that point? Position of that one? Sign. Here we need to consider only positive x and a negative y. So x positive, y negative. So this coordinate axis divides this coordinate plane or Cartesian plane into 4 quadrants. First, second, third and fourth quadrants. Okay. In first quadrant, the point should be positive, positive. Here negative, positive. Here third quadrant negative. Both are negative. Fourth quadrant positive, negative. Clear? We are considering in first quadrant, we consider positive x direction and positive direction. Both are positive. In second quadrant, we consider x. First x, sign of x, then x, y. Okay. Then here negative x and a positive y. So negative x, negative y, positive. Here both are negative, negative x, negative y axis. So both are negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Okay, so first quadrant both are positive, third quadrant both are negative, second quadrant x coordinate, x value negative and y value positive, fourth quadrant just opposite, for x value positive, y value negative. Clear? Okay, dear students, let's discuss. See, what is our aim actually? To learn coordinate geometry, what is our aim? To locate the position of a point or an object in a plane. Okay, see here, 4 points in a plane P, Q, R, S. 4 points. We need to find the location. We need to find the position of this. We need to find the position of these 4 points in this Cartesian plane. Okay, before that, suppose A is a point in this Cartesian plane, then it has two values, one x value and y value, and this x value is called x coordinate, x value, x coordinate, x coordinate or abscissa. Okay, dear students, see, so we need to plot a point A in this Cartesian plane, then it has x value and a y value ordered pair. Okay, we will call this ordered pair. Why? There should be this order. That means first number should be x value and second number should be y value. Okay, this a y x is not possible. Okay, so ordered pair means first x value then y value. Okay, ordered pair xy, then this x value is called x coordinate or abscissa and y value is called y coordinate or ordinate. Okay, x coordinate another name abscissa, y coordinate another name ordinate. Okay, let's discuss how to find or how to locate some points in this Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. See, here 4 points are there, P, Q, R, S. We need to find the location of these 4 points in this Cartesian plane. Okay, that means it's position of this. We need to find the position of these 4 points. First P. How to find the x coordinate for this point P? X coordinate. To find x coordinate, draw line to x axis. So here 2. This 2 is the x coordinate of this point P. Clear? Then y coordinate means draw line using scale. You should use scale. Okay. Actually, we need graph paper for this. It's compulsory graph paper. You have to draw all these drawings from drawings in graph paper only. Okay. See, so x value, x coordinate 2 and y coordinate also 2. So position of this point P in this Cartesian plane is 2, 2. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 2. Is it easy now? Then second, why both are positive 2, 2? Because this is first quadrant P. The point P lies in the first quadrant, and first quadrant x and y coordinates are positive. Okay, because positive x direction and negative positive y direction. Positive x direction and positive y direction. Both are positive, so values x coordinate value and y coordinate value positive. Next, Q. What will be the position of Q in this plane? That means Q lies in second quadrant. Okay, so first draw. See, Q, this is ordered pair. So first write x coordinate value. Okay, x coordinate means draw line to x axis. 3. See, minus 3. So minus 3 and y coordinate. Here minus 3 and y coordinate 4 plus 4. So position of coordinates of this point Q, coordinates of this point Q are minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. Then next point S. This is third quadrant, so both the x coordinate value and y coordinate values are negative. So see, first x value, draw line to x axis, so minus 6, and y value, use scale. Okay, when you draw, use scale and a graph paper. So minus 4, both values are negative. So coordinates of the point S is minus 6, minus 4. Minus 6 means x coordinate, minus 4 y coordinate. The last one, R. Here fourth quadrant. So see, this is positive x and this is negative y. So x value is 3 and y value is minus 4. So this is the method how to find the position or coordinates of points in the Cartesian plane. Is it easy now? Then what is x coordinate? Actually, what is x coordinate? X coordinate is the distance of distance from the origin to second 2. Okay, in graph paper you can take each 1, 2, 3, 4 in centimeter. Okay, 1 unit. Actually, this distance is 1 unit. 1 unit. This distance. You can take 1 unit as 1 centimeter when you draw in graph paper. Okay, so 2 centimeter or 2 unit distance. Actually, this x coordinate means distance of this point P from the y axis. So x coordinate means distance of this point, from the y axis. Clear? Then here 2. Y coordinate also 2. So what is this? This distance is y. This 2. That means y coordinate means distance of this point P from the x axis. Clear? Okay, dear students. So x coordinate means distance of a point from the y axis, and y coordinate means distance of the point from the x axis. So let's wind up today's class. We have learned coordinate geometry and what are the terms? X axis, y axis, vertical, horizontal lines, Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, then coordinate axis, abscissa or x axis, then y axis or ordinate, then how to how to locate points in Cartesian plane, etc. Okay, so let's wind up today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.